Welcome to Buy Smart. Today, we're comparing two popular steam cleaners, the Kenmore SM2050 2-in-1 Steam Mop and the Waitbird Steam Cleaner. Let's see which one comes out on top. Let's kick things off with price. The Kenmore SM2050 is priced at $89, which many reviewers appreciate for its affordability and value. One user mentioned switching to the steam mop as a cost-effective solution compared to traditional mops. On the other hand, the Waitbird Steam Cleaner is more premium at $139. However, reviewers rave about its high-quality performance and versatility, suggesting that it might be worth the extra investment for those who can afford it. Moving on to cleaning power. The Kenmore SM2050 claims to remove 99.9% of dust, and many users are impressed with its effective cleaning capabilities, stating it heats up quickly and handles various surfaces well. However, some reviewers noted its limitations in disinfecting due to its single steam jet design. In contrast, the Waitbird Steam Cleaner boasts a steam temperature of up to 248, which users commend for tackling tough grime and stains, making it a favorite for deep cleaning. Now, let's discuss capacity and accessories. The Kenmore SM2050 comes with 3 versatile tools, which some users found helpful for tackling tough messes. However, there are mentions of the cord length being a drawback. Meanwhile, the Waitbird Steam Cleaner offers an astonishing 21 accessories, making it a top choice for those seeking versatility. Reviewers appreciate the range of attachments that enhance its functionality for various cleaning tasks. Finally, let's look at ease of use. The Kenmore SM2050 features swivel steering, allowing for easy maneuverability under furniture. Reviewers have highlighted this as a plus, stating it feels like a dance party when cleaning. The Waitbird Steam Cleaner, on the other hand, comes with child safety and steam lock features, which users find reassuring. It's also lightweight and easy to handle, making it a great option for those who prioritize safety and convenience. In summary, the Kenmore SM2050 is praised for its affordability and effective cleaning, while the Waitbird Steam Cleaner stands out for its powerful performance and extensive accessories. Both have their strengths and cater to different needs. Thanks for tuning in. Which steam cleaner do you prefer? The Kenmore SM2050 or the Waitbird Steam Cleaner? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the product links in the description.